Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will see another interview question where we have to find the maximum between three numbers. So I will start coding that. So let's create a new class and I will name this as max of three numbers, right? And I will check this main method, click on finish. Okay, now let's start. Uh, let's take three numbers int equals 10, int b equals 20, and int c equals 30. Fine. Now what we will do is that we will put if condition if a is greater than b and a is greater than c, then in this case I will also take a variable called int max, right? And here we will say maximum is a. Similarly, we will put one more loop, else if, and here we will say b is greater than a and b is greater than c. In that case, maximum will be b, right? And the last condition else, maximum will be c. Okay, so now let's print which is the maximum number. So I will write here maximum value is, and it's stored in max, so I will just print max over here, and let's run this code now. Java application, okay, and it prints maximum value is 30. So yeah, it found this and it's working. So in the next video I will let you guys know what is the second method to solve this. So we will use a ternary operator in that case, and I will come up with that video very soon. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.